Since you derived the two equations for different cases, pH, it is very easy to derive this third case, that is the last case. Hydrolysis of salts of weak acid and weak base, both are weak. Therefore, certain special considerations are for this case. Ammonium acetate, ammonium cyanide, copper acetate, etc. are the salt of this type. Of this ammonium acetate is the example that you have to do. When dissolved in water, they undergo hydrolysis to a much greater extent, and resulting the solution may be neutral, acidic, or alkaline depending upon the relative hydrolysis, and explain why they are either neutral or acidic or alkaline. The reasons are given in the last case by taking the consideration case 1, case 2, case 3, etc. Give reason questions can be asked from this section. The hydrolysis of this type of salts can be understood by considering the following example: ammonium acetate. Even though we are describing about ammonium acetate, general theory is explained and the equations are derived based on the general example. Ammonium acetate is a salt of weak acid, acetic acid, and a weak base, ammonium hydroxide. In solution, it dissociate to furnish acetate and NH4 plus ions, CH3CO minus ion and NH4 plus ion. Now, CH3CO NH4 dissociate into CH3CO minus and NH4 plus. In this case, both CH3CO minus and NH4 plus are ion being strong species, interact considerably with water. CH3CO, we studied in the first case NH4 acting with water. In the second case, we studied CH3CO minus acting with water. Therefore, both are helpful to derive the equation here. And CH3CO minus ion take H plus ions, whereas NH4 plus ions take OH minus furnished by the water to form weakly dissociated acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide respectively. CH3CO minus plus water gives CH3COH plus OH minus. That means alkaline nature. But NH4 plus reacts with water and form NH4OH and H plus. That means both will cancel and we can get a neutral solution. Depending upon the variation, if the OH minus is higher, then we say it is alkaline. Then if H plus is higher, we say it is acidic. The overall reaction can be represented as CH3CO minus plus NH4 plus water gives acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide. In this particular case, the extent of hydrolysis of CH3CO minus ions is the same as that of NH4 plus ions. Therefore, the number of H plus ions taken by CH3CO minus ions is the same as that number of OH minus ion taken by NH4 plus ion. Therefore, the resulting solution is neutral. Give reason. When is the case it is becoming neutral? Next. However, in the case of several salts of weak acid and weak bases, the extent of hydrolysis of cations and anions are not the same. In such cases, the resulting solution are either weakly acidic or weakly alkaline. When the extent of hydrolysis of anion relatively more than that of the cation, the resulting solution is slightly alkaline. And ammonium cyanide, give an example. An example, which one? That is, ammonium cyanide is such an example. On the other hand, when the extent of hydrolysis of cation is relatively more than the anion, the resulting solution is slightly acidic. Ammonium chloride is such a salt. Therefore, when it is alkaline, give an example. When it is an acidic, give an example. Next, we are going to derive the equation 4 steps.